Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is percentage. Before I start percentage, I like to define a term fraction. A fraction simply tells us how many parts of a whole we have, or you can say that a fraction means a part of an object. फ्रैक्शन का मतलब क्या है? किसी चीज का हिस्सा. नाउ आई डिफाइन परसेंट. द वर्ड परसेंट originated from the Latin phrase percentum, which means per hundred or out of every 100. The symbol is used to represent percent. For example, in our daily life, we take exam and some student scores 75 marks out of 100. So 75 out of 100 in percentage will be 75%. Now I define percentage. A percentage is a number or ratio expressed as a fraction of 100. Or you can say that a percentage is a fraction whose denominator is 100. For example, you can see the figure. Figure shows a square grid divided into 100 equal parts. On page number 185 of chapter 8 D1, 75 parts are shaded. It means 75 out of 100 parts or 75 over 100 of the grid is shaded. The fraction 75 over 100 is equal to 75 is to 100 can be expressed as 75% because percentage means out of every 100. Conversely, 75% can be expressed as 75 over 100. Also in our daily life we see some examples. Warehouse sale at 50% off and gross domestic product is up by 0.5%. So here 50% and 0.5% are examples of percentages. Now I start exercise 8A, question number 1. Question number 1 is express 6 and 3 by 5 percentage as a fraction. So first of all, you can convert 6 and 3 over 5 into an improper fraction by multiplying 6 with 5 and then add 3 to get 33 and denominator will be as it is. Now you can also write 33 over 5 into decimal. We have already learned that this is a symbol of percentage and numerically percentage means a fraction whose denominator is 100. If I remove this symbol, I will write 100 in the denominator. अगर मैं इस परसेंटेज के सिंबल को खत्म करूंगा तो डिनोमिनेटर में क्या आएगा? 100. अब आप इसको कैलकुलेटर से भी सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आंसर फ्रैक्शन में होना चाहिए। विदाउट कैलकुलेटर करते हैं। It will be read as 33/5 divided by 100. So denominator is 100. If 33/5 is divided by 100, you will write 33/5 multiply with the reciprocal of denominator. And reciprocal of denominator is 1/100. 100 can be written as 100/1, and reciprocal means you will interchange numerator and denominator. So 100 is 100/1 and its reciprocal will be 1/100. So it will become 33/500, because in multiplication we multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 33/500 is the simplified form of a fraction, because 33 and 500 both are not divisible by any common number. Now question number 2 is, express 33 and 2/3 percentage and 0.02 percentage as a decimal. So first of all, I consider 33 and 2/3%. Again, we will convert 33 and 2/3 into an improper fraction by multiplying 3 with 33, then add 2. Denominator will be as it is. We will get 101/3%. As in the previous question, if I remove percentage sign, denominator will become 100 of 101/3, because percentage means percentage is a fraction whose denominator is 100. Now if I read it, 101/3 divided by 100 means 101/3 will be multiplied with the reciprocal of denominator, which is 100, and reciprocal of 100 is 1/100. It will become 101/300. And in decimal form you can use calculator. 0.34 by rounding of a number. In calculator it was 0. In calculator it was 0.33666667, and I want to write up to 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places means after point up to second digit. 2 decimal places का मतलब है कि मैं पॉइंट के बाद दूसरे डिजिट तक लिखना चाहता हूं, यहां तक लिखना चाहता हूं मैं। आप देखेंगे इससे नेक्स्ट डिजिट अगर तो 5 या 5 से ग्रेटर है, तो जहां तक आप लिखना चाहते हैं उसमें आप 1 ऐड कर देंगे, तो ये 4 बन जाएगा, और इन सब डिजिट्स को इग्नोर कर देंगे। राउंड ऑफ का मतलब होता है करीब तरीन नंबर लिखना। अगर जहां तक आप लिखना चाहते हैं उससे नेक्स्ट डिजिट 5 से कम हो, तो फिर आप कुछ ऐड नहीं करेंगे और ये बन जाएगा 0.33. Now I consider other part. (0.02%) and we want to convert it into decimal. If I remove percentage sign, denominator will be 100. Again I am saying percentage means a fraction whose denominator is 100. जब भी आप परसेंट का साइन खत्म करेंगे तो आपने नीचे 100 लिख देना. परसेंट का मतलब ही यही है, आउट ऑफ एवरी 100. Now by using calculator it will become 0.0002. Now I do question number 3 and question number 3 is express 1 and 6/25 as a percentage. In the previous two questions, we convert percentage into fraction by removing percentage sign, and when we remove percentage sign, we divide with 100. Now we want to convert it into percentage, so we will multiply with 100 and write the percentage sign. जैसे हमने पिछले क्वेश्चन में जब परसेंटेज का साइन खत्म किया तो 100 से डिवाइड किया, तो उसका रिवर्स करने, यानी 100 से डिवाइड किया था 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करें. वहां परसेंट का साइन खत्म किया तो यहां परसेंट का साइन लगा दें. 1 and 6/25 multiplied by 100 and write the sign of percentage. Now convert 1 and 6/25 as an improper fraction. 1 multiplied by 25 plus 6, 31/25. It will become 124% by using calculator. This is our required percentage. Now we express 0.78 as a percentage. The method is similar to question number 3. You only need to multiply with 100 and write the symbol of percent to get 78%. Thank you, students.